Hi friends, welcome back to Learn with Zeb. Today I am going to show you something really exciting. Power Automate Copilot. If you ever felt confused about building flows or if you think automation is difficult, don't worry. Copilot is like your personal AI assistant that will help you create flows in just a few seconds. In this video, I will explain what Copilot is, why you should use it, and I will also show you a live demo step by steps. So let's get started. So first thing first, what is Power Automate Copilot? It's actually a new AI feature inside Power Automate. Instead of spending time searching for connectors or actions, you can just tell Copilot in simple English what you want. For example, if you want to save a file which you receive in an email notification in a OneDrive and SharePoint and then get notified by using an email that the file is saved, you can simply write in simple English. You can describe your scenario to the Copilot and it will just create the flow with the connectors of Outlook, OneDrive and SharePoint and create a flow for your need with using Copilot. Copilot will understand and build the entire flow for you. This means you don't need to be an expert. You just describe your problem and the AI will do the heavy lifting. Why should we use Copilot? So this is so useful. Number one, it saves time. Number two, it helps beginners who don't know all the technical details. Number three, it, it still allows professionals to edit and customize the flow. So whether you are new to the automation or you're experienced, Copilot helps your life much easier. Alright, so let's jump into the demo. So right now I'm in make.powerx.com and from this Power platform I'll just select Power Automate. Once I get into the Power Automate home, I'll see that create your automation with Copilot. So now I need to describe my need in simple English, what I want to achieve. So when a new email arrives with an attachment, so I want to save the file to OneDrive and SharePoint. And then I want to send me an email notification that the file is saved. Let's just click on the generate and you can see then that it is working on it, and now you can see the Copilot has automatically created the flow for me it has added OneDrive, SharePoint, and then send an email notification and Outlook action for me, and it's all ready to go. Just click on keep it and continue. I'll just create the flow, and now you can see my flow is ready. I'll just check all the actions. Alright, so it needs some parameter. Alright, so I need to define my file folder type, folder path over here. Alright, so root would be the one, and same with the SharePoint as well. So this is the site for me, learn with Uzair, and then there is share document. Alright, so my flow is all ready to go. I just give it a save on that. So as you can see, if I want to make changes, I can add it. uh, I can add it any step. For example, if I want to change the SharePoint folder over here, I can do that. I can customize uh, a subject and email body according to my need. So yeah, that all is customizable. And as you can see, all of this was created in just a few seconds with the help of AI. Now let's see the demonstration with by uploading an attachment. Okay, let's open OneDrive and SharePoint as well. And the main thing which I need is right now Outlook. So I'll just send an email notification with an attachment, and all the details will be all my attachment will be saved into SharePoint and OneDrive, and then I'll get notified. So let's create a new email. Just give it a test. Hi, and just browse this computer and I'll upload the file. Alright, and send. Okay, I just forgot to add my email as well. So that's my email. Alright, I just received an email. Now as you can see, if I just go back, my flow is saved. If I just give it a refresh over here, you can see my flow has been on run, and it has completed all of its action, created a file in the OneDrive, created a file in a SharePoint as well, and send me an email notification as well. So let's jump into the SharePoint site, learn with Uzair. Documents. Alright, you can see the file has been uh, uploaded in the documents in the SharePoint, and in the OneDrive. If I go to my files, I can see the file is uploaded on OneDrive as well, and I got the notification the attachment file has been saved to OneDrive and SharePoint. So that's how it's done. just by a few lines you need to describe to the Copilot, and with the help of AI you just create an automation. Now talk about tips and limitation before you start using Copilot. There are some important tips. Always write clear instructions. The more specific you are, the better the flow will be. Don't forget to review the flow because sometimes the AI can miss small details. Remember, you can still customize everything after Copilot creates the flow. So think of Copilot as a starting point, not as a final solution. So as in conclusion, you can see uh, what we have achieved using Power Automate Copilot. If you like this video and if this video helped you, please give a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment below what type of Copilot tutorial you want me to make next. This is Uzair from Learn with Uzair. Thank you for watching.